Welcome back to my channel. Sis, what we're gonna make today?
A fish who blows bubbles.
Yes friends, it's gonna be so amazing and so beautiful. You're gonna love it. Yes,
And
sis?
it's gonna be so amazing.
Yes. Friends, if you also love to draw with us, then go and get your colorful papers and scissors
Scissors.
and some balloons
And the
to-
tape.
Yes. Then come and draw with us. Now let's start our video. Friends, now we're gonna take our colorful papers. I'm gonna take now. Now friends, we're gonna fold our paper like this and draw a fishy on it.
Like this.
Yes. Now friends, we're gonna cut it with our scissors. Friends, we have cut two fishes like this. Now we're gonna take some water balloons. We're gonna pick our favorite color. We have our favorite color of the water balloon. Now we're gonna blow the water balloon a little bit. Friends, we have tied a little balloon.
And small.
Yes, it's so small it can fit inside the mouth. We have to take a tape and then tie it all around. Friends, we have done
Blow it.
we have done to put the tape all around the balloon. Now see, it's
circle.
coming like a bubble. Not from here, like this. See? Now we're gonna put this inside the fish like this. See friends? I'm not done yet, but I'm showing you it's in the end it's gonna be like this. Friends, now we have to take a tape and then put all around of our fish. We have put the tape from the one side. Now we're gonna put it from this side. Friends, we have put the tape all around our fishy. Now we're gonna cut it with our scissor like this. Friends, we cut the sides of the fishy. Now we're gonna take our water balloons and the lower part of the fishy and put it there first like this. Little in. Now I'm gonna put my nether side of the fishy on my fishy. Now friends, we are done. Now we are gonna fold the tape on our fishy like this. See?
It's done.
Friends, we're done to
Now,
paste the tape. Now let's see how it's gonna work. Friends, see, it's working. Plop, plop, plop. From inside, he's making the bubbles in the sea.